Hi everybody, this is Kinderson, and we're going to be teaching you how to bathe your dog. First, what you need is some vet shampoo. We're just going to use this shampoo because our vet said it was the best. You need some cups or a very big cup to hold water to pour on the dog. By the way, this is tearless shampoo. I recommend tearless because, yeah. A brush to brush out your dog's fur. You will also need a hair dryer. You may also need treats. And you will need a towel to dry off your dog. Here's our dog Gizmo. Now he is honestly terrified of the bath. Now here's my assistant Zoe. Now Zoe is in here helping me because our dog likes to squirm around a lot. So she's going to be in there to keep him secure. Now here comes Gizmo in the bathtub. Now as you can see, he's gripping on very tight. Okay. So here we go. Oh! Hey, look at this! Wait. Once you have him basically covered in soap, this is the time when you want to get your cups. So what you can do, you just fill it up, scoop it in the water, and just pour it on your dog while scratching it up. You want to like scratch it all in there. Now as you can see, our dog looks very skinny. Big eyes, yeah. So when he's fully wet, fully cleaned, you want to get your towel. So you want to take your towel like this. Like that. Okay, Zoe, I'm ready. Oh, okay, you're sure? Okay, you're sure. You will get a little wet. There you go. A little. Just dry him off. Sit. Just gonna go like this. Shake him all up until he's basically towel dry. Now you're gonna hair dry him. You're also gonna take the brush and brush him out while hair drying him. Good. So you're blocking the camera. You're blocking the camera. Since our dog is about half dry, we like to air dry him, so we're going to let him go. Come on, guys. It's like the horse is going out of the stable. Whee! There he goes. It is very warm, so we're letting our dog run free. Hi, Giz. Hi, boy. Hi, Giz. Good boy, Gizmo. Once your dog is done his bath, or her bath, you can give him a treat and chase him around. Giz! Gizmo! Come here! Gizmo, come here! Come on, you don't want it? Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah!